Hey, hey, everybody, hey. Look at my garden. OMG. This is your girl eating with Food for Thought Roberts. And I just want to show y'all these lemon cucumbers. Now I'm getting ready to trim them back. You see all that's down on the ground. I'm going to cut that back so that I can have more focus on the upper part. These are my tomato plants. I've been trimming them. I got a few, look like wasps. I don't know if it's bees or if it's wasps up in here. And I got a few tomatoes. Yay! Look at my tomatoes. They finally came up. I don't know if I'm going to get no more, but I got these. I've been just trimming. And this is 2 lemon cucumber plants, just 2. And they are going crazy. They are all over here. Look at this. This is lemon cucumber. And they are all over here on this tomato bush. See my tomato bush? See how tall it is? And I'm getting ready to put some water on this little tomato plant here up in the front. But yeah, I'm going to trim that back. And I also, it's growing so crazy that I had to get a ladder, one of my old ladders out. It's a 4-foot high ladder. But I got this ladder and I start trailing it. Let me take you to the other side. Hold on. Let's just walk around. We're just going to walk to the other side of the mountain. Let's get over here so you can see what I'm talking about. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? That is so pretty. And that's just 2 lemon cucumber plants. And if you are fortunate enough to have you a cucumber plant, make sure when the lemon cucumbers are ripe, you take you take one of the cucumbers and you pull the seeds out and let them dry out so you can plant your own from next year for next year and save you some money. Yep. And all that dirt you saw on the concrete, I'm just too lazy. I just haven't kicked it back where it goes. But yeah, this is my lemon cucumbers. Oh my goodness. I'm so pleased with how they turned out this year. Way better than last year. And I also, in my barbecue area, I'm not barbecuing right now, so anyway, I just pulled some of the cucumbers up off the ground and posted them right there. Yeah, this is nice. Very happy with this. And let me show you a couple of other plants. Hold on. Let me show you a couple of other plants. I planted this about 6 weeks ago from seed. This is regular cucumbers. And yep, planted from seed. And it's doing very well. This is 4 plants. I planted 6. I gave my sister 2. And I have 4 here. And this is how they're looking. Look at that. Just beautiful. Oh, okay. I see a little spider up in there. I'm going to get you later. And my rosemary again. My mint plant. My basil. And I've also did some clippings with the basil. And I have some more basil to transplant. So that saved you some money. And I just cut this little tomato plant off of one of the tomato plants over there. So I'm going to try to transplant it and see what happens. See if it'll take. We'll see. But anyway, this your girl eating with Food for Thought Roberts. I'm just out here working in my yard. I just cut the grass a little bit. I got to do some edging. And as I told you guys, I'm thinking about putting in a pool. But I have all this concrete back here. But what I think I'm going to do just came to me today. I'm going to do an above ground pool. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pad this concrete real good because I was going to have it ripped out. I spent too much money for this concrete to have my concrete ripped out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pad it real good and go ahead and buy my pool and have that pool put in right on this concrete area so I can keep all my stuff. Okay? That's what I'm going to do. And my little lemon tree, blood orange tree, and my lime tree seems to be doing good. I have lots of lemons, as you can see, on my lemon tree. And here's my lime tree. I got oh my goodness, look. I got some limes on here. Limes, and more limes coming. Oh yeah. The blood orange, this one is iffy and tricky. I don't see any buds. I don't see any nothing. So last year I got 3 off of here. So I may or may not get any this year. And that's my neighbor's tree right there that's hanging over my yard. But I'm going to be cutting that back and getting all that fruit up. Because fruit on the ground promotes rodents. And I don't want no rodents. And this is my grapevines that you guys saw in the last video. My grapevines. But I'm going to get ready to do a little trimming. And this grapevine right here is the same age as that big one right there. He's just a poor little dwarf. Bless his little heart. Just a little dwarf. And them roses, I can't wait to take these rose bush up and out of here. I don't like me no rose bushes. But again, this your girl Eating with Food for Thought Roberts over here trying to be healthy, trying to stay healthy, trying to grow my own food, trying to stay out the grocery stores as much as possible. I'm going now maybe once every 4 to 6 weeks. And I'm trying not to go then, but you gotta go. You gotta go. So I will see you on the next one, and I'm going to get this posted. Try to get this posted by the morning time. Okay? Oh, right there, some leaves that I had cut off the grapevine. That's for the compost bin. If you got a compost bin, if you're doing your own garden, get you a compost bin. They are well worth the money and the time. Because the soil that comes out of here, OMG, you cannot beat it. Get you a compost bin. Like I'm always crying about the Brita for your water, I'm crying about the dirt for your garden. Get your compost bin. And I'm going to see you. Ooh, that sounds like the EMTs going by, or the fire department going by. We got a hospital right around the corner. And right over this fence line, that's the main road. That is a main road over that fence line. So, that being said, that's my time. It's your girl, again, Eating with Food for Thought Roberts. And I'm going to get back to my gardening. See you guys.